A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue lecture number 7 on permutation and combination. Basically, this lecture is based on permutation with repetition, where in one word certain letter is repeated. Then how to find total number of distinct arrangements. या नंबर्स दिया है उसमें कोई नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है जैसे 1 1 2 2 3 and we are forming numbers. Then how many distinct numbers can be formed? ये चीजें हम सीखेंगे with the help of one practical example. So let us begin permutation with repetition. Permutation with repetition. Suppose n objects are given in which one particular object repeats p times, another object repeats q times, and third object repeats r times, then total number of distinct arrangements will be n factorial divided by p factorial q factorial into r factorial. I'll explain with the help of one simple example. Now you know in Delhi we got Aam Aadmi Party. Short form of that is what? AAP. How to arrange AAP? Number of arrangements will be this A you keep as it is, then A, P. This first A you keep as it is. Now interchange A and P. P, A. Now we'll take second A first. First and third will arrange A, interchange them, PA. Now first we write P now. The two A's, first A, second A, second A, first A. If you see, this is AAP, again AAP. Both are one and same. We cannot say them as what? Two distinct. They are one only. APA and this APA, both are same. And this PAA, and next one is PAA. So if you see, the number of distinct elements will be what? Only 3. Number of distinct arrangements is 3. Now by formula, total number of letters 3, in which A repeats 2 times. Number of distinct arrangements will be what? Total number of letters 3. So 3 factorial. A repeats 2 times, so 2 factorial. And 3 factor what? 3 into 2 factor upon 2 factorial will give you 3 ways, which is same as this. So when like this, Papa is there, 4 letters in which P repeats 2 times, A repeats 2 times. So number of distinct elements will be what? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That is 24 divided by 4 will give 6 distinct arrangements. NUNNY, Abba, okay, Ammi, you can arrange at home taking your own time and see that distinct elements can be obtained by formula method. So let us begin some problems based on this. So this was practical explanation. Now we will go towards some problems. Find the number of permutations of letters in each of the following words. First is what? Divya. The word Divya contains 5 distinct letters. Divya contains 5 distinct letters. They among themselves can be arranged in 5p5, 5 factorial, 120 ways. दिव्या में कोई लेटर रिपीट नहीं हुआ है, तो दिस इज व्हाट 120 ways. Second is what? Shantaram. The word Shantaram contains 9 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in which A repeats 1, 2, 3 times. Any more? H, NT, okay, no more. Therefore, total number of distinct elements is equal to 9 factorial upon 3 factorial. 9 factorial is what? 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial is what? 6. We can write directly 3 factorial replaced by 6. 9 is just 72. 72 upon 6 is what? 12. And 7 factorial, you have to remember all the values till 8 factorial. 5040. 60,480. So many distinct arrangements will be there. The next is represent. Third one, the word represent what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The word represent contains 9 letters in which R repeats 2 times, then E 3 times. Repeats 3 times. Any more? P, F, bus. Therefore, total number of distinct arrangements will be 9 factorial divided by 9 factors what? 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 3 factors what? 6 into 2. 72 upon 12 is what? 6 into 7 factors what? 5040. 30,240. Fourth was combine. The word contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 distinct, no letter is repeating. 7 distinct letters. they among themselves can be arranged in 7p7 7 factorial is equal to 5040 ways. Next is Bal Bharati. Fifth, the word Bal Bharati contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters, in which A repeats 1, 2, 3 times. B 2 times, B 2 times, L, H, R single times, RATI. Therefore, total number of distinct arrangements will be 10 factorial divided by 3 factor into 2 factorial. 10, 9, 8 into 7 factor upon 6 into 2. 6 into 2, 12. 9 8 is 72. 12, 6 is 72 into 7 factor what? 5040. This is what? 30,240 into 10 will give you what? 3,02,400 ways. Now next, you have 2 identical books on English, 3 identical books on Hindi. English 3, English 2, Hindi 3 identical books, and 4 mathematics. So total number of books is what? 2 plus 3 plus 4, is equal to 9. Therefore, total number of distinct arrangements on shelf is equal to 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial. 9, 8, 7 into 6 into 5 factorial you can write, divided by 2 into 6 into 24. 9 8 the 72, 6 will get cancelled, 72 and 48. 72 and 24 will get cancelled, you get 3 into 7 and 6 will get cancelled, and 5 factor what, 120 divided by 2 is there. 60 into 21. 1260. Ways. A coin is tossed 8 times. In how many ways can we obtain? Number 1, 4 heads and 4 tails, at least 6 head. Coin is tossed 8 times, getting 4 head and 4 tail in eight factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 factorial. 8, 7, 6, 5 into 4 factorial divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 factorial cancel, 2 for the 8 cancel, 3 to the 6. So 7 into 2 into 5, 70 ways. In second part they want at least 6 head. At least 6 heads means 6 head and 2 tail, or 7 head and 1 tail, or all 8 head. This can be done in out of 8, 6 head 2 tail, or means add 7 head, tail is 1, so it is not repeating, or all 8 times head, that will give you one way. 8 factors what? 8 into 7 into 6 factor upon and 2 factors what 2? 8 into 7 factor upon plus 1. 6 factor cancel, 2 for the 28 plus 8 plus 1. 36 plus 1 is what? 37 ways. A bag has 5 red, 4 blue and 4 green balls. If all are drawn one by one and their colors are recorded, how many different arrangements can be found? Total number of balls will be what? Is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 13 balls. Therefore, total number of distinct arrangements (13 factorial). Red ball is what? 5. They will be alike, same. Blue 4 will be alike, and 4 green 4 factorial. So this can be written as 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 5 factors what? 120, 4 factorial 24, 24. So 12 and 10, 120 will get cancelled. So 13 is left, 11 is left, into 9 8 is 72, 24 3 is 72, into 7, into 6 into 5, into 4 into 3 into 2, divided by 7 factorial I wrote, 24, 3, now this 24 is left. Now 4 6 are 24 will get cancelled. What is left? 13 into 11 into 3 into 7, 6 4 the 24 cancel, 5 3 the 15 to the 30. This is what is left. 143, 21 into 5 to the 15 to the 30, 143 into 0, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 630. This product will give you now tools we can use. It is 143 into 630 into 630 is equal to 90090 ways. Find the number of ways arranging letters of the word mathematical. How many of these arrangements have all vowels together? Now next word is what? Mathematical. The word mathematical contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 letters in which M repeats two times A, one, two, three times T, two times T, two times H, E, I, L, nothing. Therefore, total number of distinct arrangements is equal to 12 factorial divided by M repeats two times, 2 factorial into 3 factorial into ways. Then in second part, how many of these arrangements have all vowels together? Second part. The word mathematical contains A, 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 3A, E, I. Five vowels. Since we are arranging vowels together, are arranging vowels together, we will take them in one group. Therefore, one group of vowel plus. So in this group 5 letters are there, total 12 letters are there, plus 7 other letters. If we add them, we will get 8, in which इस 8 में M repeats 2 times and T 2 times. Two times and T 2 times can be arranged in 8 factorial divided by 2 factor into 2 factorial ways. Now, the group of 5 vowels, the group of 5 vowels has A3 times. Can be arranged in 5 factor upon 3 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of arrangements is equal to 8 factorial divided by 2 factor into 2 factorial into 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial ways. If you want to simplify this, 8 factors what? 40,320 upon 80,000, 40,320, sorry. Two into two is what? 4. 5 factors what? 120 divided by 6. 20 will give you 10,018. Will give you 00, 2 8 is 16, 201600, 2 lakh 1600. Find the number of different arrangements of the letters in the word Maharashtra. How many of these arrangements have letters R and H never together, all vowels together? 7 and then 8. The word Maharashtra contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 letters in which M is alone, A repeats 1, 2, 3, 4. A repeats 4 times, H 2 times, A 4 times, H 2 times, R 2 times. Two times. Okay. Therefore, total number of distinct elements is equal to 11 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial is equal to 11, 10, 9, 8 into 7 factorial upon 4 factors were 24 into 2 into 2 will be 24, 72, 3, 5, 11 into 5 into 3 into 5040 divided by 2 is left. 11 into 15, 15 into 11 is what, 165 into 2520 will give you 165 into 2520, 4,15,800. Ways. Then further, first part is what? Letters R and H never together. A part. Let R and H are together. Therefore, one group of R and H plus, in this group 4 letters are there, total 7 plus 7 other letters is equal to 8, in which A repeats 4 times, can be arranged in 8 factor upon 4 factorial ways. Now, the group contains four letters in which R repeats two times and H two times. Can be written in 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial ways. So number of ways in which R and H are together is equal to 8 factorial upon 4 factor into 4 factor upon 2 factor into 2 factorial. 8 factorial 8 factor is what? 40,320 upon 10,080. So in so many arrangements, R and H are together, but we are interested R and H are never together. Therefore, number of arrangements in which एक पेज चाहिए था, एक मिनट, हाँ लास्ट पे है. Therefore, number of arrangements in which R and H are never together is equal to total number of arrangements minus number of arrangements in which they are together. Now it was 4,15,000 something, 1 minute. 4,15,800 minus 10,080. 15,800 minus 0, 10 minus 8 is what? 2, 7, 5, 0. 4,05,720 ways. Then B part is all vowels are together. The word Maharashtra contains 4 A's as vowel. All vowels together. The word Maharashtra contains 4 A's as vowel. We will take them in one group. Therefore, one group plus 7 other letters is equal to 8, in which R repeats 2 times and H 2 times. Can be arranged in 8 factor upon 2 factor into 2 factorial ways. Now, 4 A's which are in group among themselves can be arranged in 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial is equal to 1 way. Therefore, total number of arrangements is equal to 8 factor upon 40,320 10,080 ways. How many different words are formed if the letters R is used thrice, S and T are used twice? R 3, S 2, T 2. Total number of letters 3 plus 2 plus 2 7. Therefore, total number of distinct arrangements will be what? 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 factors, 3 factors was 6, 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4 cancel, 6 cancel. 7 into 5 into 3 into 2. 6 cancel, 2 to the 4 cancel. 7, 5, 3, 2. 35 into 6. We can form 210 different words. Find the number of arrangements of letters in the word Mumbai so that letter B is always next to A. The word Mumbai contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters in which M repeats 2 times. Since we are arranging B next to A, B next to A, therefore we will take AB as 1 unit. So 1 unit plus 6 letters are there, so 4 other letters. Is equal to 5, in which M repeats 2 times. Can be arranged in 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 120 divided by 2, 60 ways. We don't have to arrange this unit, because when we will arrange unit, AB will become BA, but we need AB only. So this is the total number of arrangements. Thank you very much. Today's quote is, अपने दर्द को अपना मोटिवेशन बना, फिर देख तुझे कौन रोकता है सक्सेसफुल होने से। आप बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हो, बहुत पेन हो रहा है, बट फॉरगेट इट, उसको अपना इंस्पिरेशन बनाओ और उसी इंस्पिरेशन की ताकत से आगे बढ़ो। देखो सक्सेस तुम्हारे कदम चूमती है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।